So, guys, yesterday was really something in Newfoundland and Labrador. We had a state of emergency. There was that much snow and blizzard that some people who were stuck at work had to work for like 36 hours. So this is after the storm. I'm gonna put a video of like during the storm. I couldn't really go out because it was so windy. Now the storm has elapsed, but we're still under the state of emergency. Nobody can go out. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like outside. I'm going to try to open my door for the first time. Don't mind my right eye. I have a little bit of a pink eye, so it's just getting better. Let's see what it looks like out there. So that's the door. We're finally opening gently. Let's see. Oh, look at that! Oh, wow! Oh my goodness! Look at the car. Jesus! Wow!
I'll show you. Can you get the gloves for me?
Yes, I'll get you closer. That's my son.
Get the gloves.
I'll get your gloves, okay?
Can you get the
So we're just gonna try to see how we can dig our way out.
gloves?
Wow, where would they put all that snow? My goodness. Wow.
Jesus has the power to control the water.
Yes, he does, darling.
Thank you, Mommy. Daddy, be careful.
My husband has to use the chair just so he can go out. I guess you have to roll or something.
And you too, Troy.
Don't worry, we'll be fine. You just have to roll or something. Careful. Careful, dear. Careful, honey.
Careful, Daddy.
No, I'm gonna wait till you. Yes, just your knee. Your knee is better.
Daddy, be careful.
He's gonna be careful.
Be careful, Daddy.
Are you okay? Use your knee.
All up.
Oh boy. He's trying to get the shovel. I guess we'll have to dig from there out. You alright? Okay.
Daddy, try to catch.
No, don't worry. Don't throw that out.
Mommy.
You alright? Wow. And see, that's the road down there. See, someone's having a skidoo. That's the best way to go on this. Use your skidoo.
Man. My jacket. My jacket.
Yes. That's the best way to go on this road. To use a skidoo.
I'm a skidoo.
It's okay because we don't always use it. We never need it.
Means adoptee.
So I learned that this is the first time like this is happening in years. Some say since 1964, some say since 1984. Wow.
Yikes. Look at this.
This is so serious.
Yeah.
Hey, back off a bit. Don't let the ice come in.
It never happened in 2020.
That's me and my kids.
Of us.
I'm good, man. How are we gonna get out of this?
Oh my god.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh my.
Daddy, who are you talking to?
The neighbor, our neighbor.
Oh dear.
I think he's his work because he gets to his roof.
Wow.
Hey.
Wow. He couldn't even get out. He had to use the back door. Wow.
It's getting up to his roof.
That's my husband. He has to use his knee, of course, because if you use your legs, It's kind of sinking. There, use your knee.
Knee, Daddy, knee.
Oh my. Not a little bit stuck. Absolutely stuck.
That's the kids, my husband and his brother. They're trying to clear the snow.
Daddy, oh my God, almost gonna collapse over.
Go inside.
We will.
Careful, Oba. Don't go further, Oba.
We won't go further. We won't go further.
Now, so we're clearing. We've come a little further. Oh my God. Oh yeah, finally. That's the shovel showing. Yes! We're making progress. Yes!
Mommy, can I have the packer?
Finally, we're making progress.
Mommy, I need the packer.
Okay, honey, here you go.
Let me give you something to do. Kick in that place. Kick in there.
In here?
Yeah. Keep kicking. Okay, hold on. Before I kick the next one. So that the shovel will be there.
Okay. Wow, Joshua, come and look at it. It's like a cave. It's like a cave.
Kick in.
Kick, 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 kick.
Kick in. Aha.
Do you see it, guys?
Wow, finally. We have a little doorway.
Only for kids.
It looks like a cave, but don't go under because it could fall off.
Yeah.
Wait, we'll let Daddy bring the shovel, then we'll kick it in.
I'll do it.
Ready? Okay, here you go, honey.
Ready, set,
Ready?
Kick in.
No, you have to put, okay. Yeah,
ready,
closer.
ready, set, go.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh,
Are you wearing
yeah.
shoes? Or what are you wearing?
Hey, Daddy,
I'm
I
wearing
can see your foot.
shoe with a sock.
Daddy, I can see your foot.
We can finally see you! Hi! Hi! Anyway, we finally got our way through. I mistakenly tapped pause, so I couldn't record when we smashed it. Daddy had a good smash with his daddy power hands. Yes, that's how he went. I'm sorry, that part I couldn't feel it because I paused. Yes, it is, Baba. It is my baby.
Okay, alright, one. I need some space.
Come, Jay, come. We'll get a chance to come out after. So today, because I'm still vlogging, and I'm going to just prepare something for the boys because they're clearing. So I'm going to do something very quick. I have my tray and my parchment paper. So I'm going to, so this one is called taquitos, chicken and cheese. It's just a fast snack. I'm just going to put it in the oven and give them hot chocolates just so they can, you know, their energy level is up there. So my daughter is going to help me too to put it on. There you go. I'm going to do this one right here, honey. Here. How many do we need?
About like 5
Are you sure?
or 6.
2, 4, 6, 6. Are you sure that's enough?
No.
Let's just make it 8. So, let me see. Maybe that 6 you said is fine because I don't want any. Oops. Okay. So we have 2, 4, 6. That's good.
8.
So I'm gonna put it in the
That's great.
oven. Yeah.
I'll help.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mom.
Now we're gonna put it in the oven. JJ, I haven't even turned on the heat. Like this is just fast mode. The boys need some. It doesn't take time to cook, so now I'm gonna leave it in for 17 minutes. Sorry, I forgot to say that. 17 minutes, and we'll be back. I have my meat pie. I'm gonna link a video. I'm gonna upload a video. Sorry, I'm gonna upload a video of how to make meat pie. This is just like a quick snack. And today is a good day for us to have like a quick one. So I'm gonna add some of it when this is frozen now. So I'm just gonna add some when the food is almost cooked for like 5 minutes. So it's been a few minutes. I'm just gonna check it and see how far it's going. Then I'll put the meat pie as well. Now I'm gonna add the meat pie. They're frozen. You just add it from frozen. For now, it's been a few minutes. I'm just gonna check it. I think it should be ready. Just turn it over. Just gonna take these ones out. They're ready. Just leave the meat pie for maybe say 3-4 minutes. Hot chocolate is ready for the guys. Excuse me, they've been working so hard, and I have the rolls too. Torquillos. Sorry, torquitos. So that's the name. But okay, so the meat pie is ready. I'm gonna take it out now. So that's it. The meat pie is ready, and the torquitos is ready. So I'm gonna go give it to the boys. So this is it. Oh my god. And this is like 4:47 p.m. and it's already getting dark. Careful, honey. That's my husband. And this is me. Oh my god. Oh my. I can see.
And you can see the children too.
My god. It's a lot. I don't want to go further. I think I'm good.
I've gone to that place.
Oh my god, no, that's too
I'm
cold.
almost out.
I'm not that adventurous. This side, that's our basement where there's a window. You can't, it's even immersed. You can't even see anything. My goodness. Well, that's our car. That's the bonnet. Can you imagine? See how high up we are.
Yeah, on where you have footprint only. Alright, don't walk too fast.
They're too adventurous. I'm not going. The adventurers. I didn't go with them. Careful. I think it's better that you guys can walk on it because people have stepped on it, like, you know, if not, it will just sink in.
Footprints.
Come in and warm up. Take your time. Take your time, baby. Oh.
Watch it. No, don't need to run, okay?
There you go. That's Mama's little adventurer. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's a wrap.
What about
That's-
this bag? You took it in?
That's a wrap.